Right, finally, I just bought a car off Facebook Marketplace. I've been struggling to get some stock for the past 2 weeks. And I came across this lovely Mazda 6. It's from 2014. The car was up for 6,995. And I could tell that it was not a trade sale because of the photos. So the photos are not great, and the car hasn't been cleaned. So I just had a look at the photos. The car looks okay. It's got cream interior. There are no lights on the dash. Well, beside obvious ones. It's got quite a few features: reversing camera, Bose sound system. It's pretty good. The engine bay is quite dirty. The alloys needs a good clean. And then I looked at the description, and definitely is a private seller. And yes, he had the car for 5 years. I've just done an HPI check. He's got a genuine reason to sell the car. He bought a new electric car, which he showed me, Kia something, and I already been there. I looked at the car, and I took it for a test drive. The car drives absolutely fantastic. He had an MOT done a few weeks ago. He had a service done a few weeks ago. He's got full service history. The car is very, very well maintained. It doesn't look like, because it's a bit dirty, but it's been maintained and regularly serviced. And overall, it's a really nice car. I couldn't find any fault driving the car. I plugged my scanner. Not a single error. Everything works as it should on this car. So the car was up for 6,995. And I managed to get it for 6,500. The car retails for 9,000, so that is £2,500 margin. So far, I don't think the car needs any work done. I've checked everything, and everything looks properly. And plus, the last MOT was advisory free, and he doesn't look like the sort of person that will do a dodgy MOT or anything like that. Generally, really nice person. So I've done an HPI check to see if everything stacks up. Yeah, he had the car for 5 years. He doesn't have any finance. The mileage is fine. It's not a write-off. It's a pretty good spec. It's not on finance. The mileage is consistent. Last V5 was issued in 2017. That's when he bought the car, and he's got one previous owner. Now I am over the moon with this car. I really like the model. I really like the car. I always wanted to have one of these. And yeah, I bought it. I've transferred the money already. I left the car there. I'm just gonna do a buying invoice, and I'm going to collect the car. Right, there it is, guys. I just got the car. I took an Uber. I only paid about £18. It was not too far. The car drives really nice. No knocks, no bangs. Clutch feels alright. The gearbox feels alright. You can tell it's a car very well looked after. Not in terms of cleaning and all that, but like mechanically. It literally has a service done. There you go. Sorry, I got interrupted. It's got a service done like every 10,000 miles. So it didn't wait for the 20,000 miles or whatever the range is on this car. It just got it done. and also it's got a really nice sound system. And to be honest with you, I like this car so much I'm tempted to keep it for myself, but £2,500 margin, not too sure about that. I've got about 30 minutes drive to get home. Hopefully there won't be any problems, but to be fair, he seemed like a really nice person and like very honest person, so we don't have anything to worry about. What I'm gonna do is, on the way home, I'm gonna stop to the garage and see if they can do a 50-point inspection check, because I don't have to do a service because it's been done, and I don't have to do an MOT because it's been done, and it's advisory free. So honestly, I'm expecting just to wash the car, give it a machine polish, clean the leather a little bit, and the interior, dress it nicely, and then just put it up for sale. Now the other thing is, I don't know how fast it's gonna sell, because £9,000, it's a quite expensive car, and don't know, let's see. I mean, so far the most expensive car I had, I think it was 6,300, 6,400. I think it was the RCZ, but obviously that's a different class. Now let's see, hopefully it's gonna sell quick. Also, what I forgot to mention is, this is the Sky something line, and it's quite a good spec. It's got heated seats, electric seats, it's got reversing camera, it's got Bose sound system, it's got loads of features. It's very well equipped, so whoever buys this car is gonna be happy, I'm sure about that. Now there's one thing left, and that will be a walk around the car as soon as I get home. The bodywork it's okay. It's got a few scratches here and there, but they'll polish out. I'm not too worried about that, and the color is just beautiful. It's metallic blue, and with this white leather interior, it looks really nice. It definitely so far is the best car I had. And there we have it, guys. It was a really nice drive. I quickly popped at the garage, but the guys were too busy. Today's Saturday, and they can get the inspection done on Monday. I've got a feeling that the car doesn't need anything beside a good detailing. And if you can look closer, it's got loads of tiny scratches. I think they were driving the car a lot on the countryside roads, and that's why it looks like that. But to be honest with you, I think this is one of the best looking cars on the road. I don't know why, but I always like this model. I mean, look at that. Yeah, these are definitely bushes or something. The alloys are not bad. It's got some dirt in paint here. Oh no, it's on top. It will come off. But it's got scratches everywhere, but they are very light scratches. I couldn't find deep scratches, which is good, beside this one, but that's fine. This alloy is good as well. The tires are brilliant. The back here has got a few scratches here and there, but nothing that the polish machine can't take out. It's got another one here. Basically it's all around the car, so it's definitely been driven on the countryside roads. The alloys. I really like the interior. I think it's a really nice combo, white leather with metallic blue. It's quite dirty, but nothing I can't handle. I bet I can make the seats look white again. The boot is pretty good as well. And it's got those automatic foldable seats, which is really handy. Just gonna quickly show you under the bonnet or in the back seats. Obviously there are some food stains here and there. We've got 2 kids. This definitely needs a deep clean. Look at that. I mean, it looks bad, but the car has been very well maintained. It's been serviced regularly. It's got new brake discs and pads. It's got new battery. Yeah, I think it looks really good. Yeah, I'm really happy with the car. Maybe here needs some touch-up paint. It's not too bad. Yeah, it's a lovely car. I like it. So stay tuned for the next video where I'm gonna be prepping the car. And hopefully I'll make it look brand new again. Thanks for watching, guys.